Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to change your password on Facebook Messenger app. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to change password on your Facebook Messenger app, first open up our Messenger app first. And now after landing on this page, you can see a profile picture icon on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on your profile picture icon like this, and when you are on this interface, scroll down a little bit and you can see the account settings option available over here just beneath the switch account. Tap on account settings, and after that you can see the security and login option available over here, which is the second one. Tap on security and login, and after that you can see the change password available over here under the category login. Tap on change password and type in your current password, and after that type in your new password and again retype your new password. Tap on save changes, and you can see we have successfully changed our password. If you want to review your other devices where you logged into, tap on review other devices like this. And if you want to stay logged in on all of your devices even though you change your password, tap on stay logged in like this and tap on continue. And there guys, we have successfully changed the password of our Facebook Messenger. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.